action.
No bake blueberry pie is what we are making today in the kitchen. My name is Marlene and welcome to Savory Thoughts. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you melt your butter. We are starting with half a cup of butter, which is equivalent to 1 stick of butter. We are using 1.5 cup of graham crackers, and this will create the crumbs that you need for the bottom of the pie. Make sure that the crumbs are properly coated. Using a 9.5-inch pie dish, you're going to carefully pour the butter crumbs into the dish. Using your hands, carefully spread the crumbs around. You may also want to use a cup with a flat surface. Now that you have a flat surface, so just go ahead and place the pie dish in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can set. Now that the breadcrumbs are cooling off, this is the perfect time for you to assemble the filling for the pie. We are starting off with a 1/4 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will add as a thickening agent for the blueberry pie. Give it a quick stir to make sure that it is well incorporated so that there are no immediate lumps when you add it to the heat. Next, using a medium-sized or small to medium-sized saucepan, we are adding the blueberries. You may use a combination of frozen and fresh blueberries if you'd like. Next, we are adding half a cup of sugar. We are adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is kosher salt. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick, gentle stir. Now slowly start adding the cornstarch mixture. It's best to stir as you pour the cornstarch mixture in, so that way your blueberries do not become too lumpy. Allow the blueberries to simmer for 15 minutes on medium-low heat. Now that the time is up, you will notice that all of the liquid has evaporated from the blueberries. So carefully remove the blueberries from the heat and set aside. Now we're going to add the remaining 2 cups of blueberries. If you're using fresh blueberries, that's perfectly fine. Or you may also continue to use frozen blueberries. Either way, or would work. Give it a gentle stir. Now it's time to pour the blueberries into the pie dish. Spread the blueberries along the side of the pie dish. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours before serving. So your blueberry pie is completely set, and you have the option of adding whipped cream to it, or you can serve it as is. We actually like to add whipped cream, which I'm getting ready to show you exactly on how to do it. To begin, we are starting with 1.5 cup of heavy whipped cream, half a cup of powdered sugar. Then you're going to whisk until stiff with a hand mixer. So now that we are done, it's light and fluffy. This is pretty easy to make. You can also add cream cheese to this, which will go very well with your blueberry pie. We're going to gently add in the whipped cream. Just gently and gradually spread it around and add more as needed. Optional, feel free to add just a few more little touches. Your beautiful blueberry pie is ready to be served.